But basically, there's a lot of badasses in this gym. So you think I'm gonna walk into this gym without a pump? Bro, stop playing. Always walk into a gym with a jacket and then take off the jacket after you get in a pump. So now that I have a pump, now you take it off. That's boys and ladies and gentlemen and boys. Once you get the real pump out, that's when you bring out the guns. I quit being fat. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Guapo Joe and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna go hit that full body workout. I switched up my workout routine. I'm now 3 days a week. Labor Day Guapo Joe drip. Stay tuned, merch dropping soon. Let's go hit this workout, boys. Go get an insane pump. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're at the gym, and in case you guys didn't notice, I put on my jacket. This is because there's a science behind this. Before you work out, you should always put on a jacket. But basically, I'll explain the science behind it. I'll probably do a study myself about it. I train at an MMA gym in my off season. There's a lot of amateur pros here. So in my off season, baseball season, I like to get a little MMA and a little grappling and stand up. But basically, there's a lot of badasses in this gym. So you think I'm gonna walk into this gym without a pump? Bro, stop playing. Always walk into a gym with a jacket and then take off the jacket after you get in a pump.
I believe I can fly.
So now that I have a pump, now you take it off. That's how you really do it. And as you guys notice, I'm doing box squats. Box squats are actually very beneficial for athletes. So that's why I have workout A, B, and C for my full body workouts 3 days a week. So for my workout A, I do box squats, and then you guys will see in workout C, I do normal squats. As you guys can see, I superset almost every single exercise, and that's only because with full body workouts, I would be here for 2 to 2.5 hours. So that's why I superset everything just to get out of here faster. I don't have all day. Come on. I have stuff to do, like sleep. If you guys remember what I said earlier, you come to the gym with the jacket, you get a mini pump going. Once you get the mini pump going, you take off your jacket. And then once you get to the big boys, once the guns come out, boys, and ladies and gentlemen and boys. Once you get the real pump out, that's when you bring out the guns. You know, but just want to give you guys a little physique update. See, there are 2 things I quit in life. Number 1, I quit being fat. Number 2, second thing I quit is I quit being a quitter. If I quit being a quitter, it would not technically make me a quitter for quitting. To all my fans out there, 151 of you guys, appreciate it. It is just the start of my journey. And huge shout out to my biggest fan, bro. They are actually with me here today. Huge shout out. Thank you so much.
Stop it. Get some help.
You always gotta sanitize. Always stay sanitary. So as you guys can see, got my hand sanitizer. There we go.